Have you ever found yourself with a brand new Roger debit card, eager to start making purchases, but then stared blankly at your phone, wondering how to actually get it set up in the app? You're not alone. In today's digital world, our banking lives increasingly revolve around mobile apps. They offer convenience, real-time insights, and a level of control over our finances that traditional banking simply can't match. But that convenience hinges entirely on knowing how to navigate them. For many of us, the arrival of a new debit card sparks a mix of excitement and a touch of trepidation. Excitement because, well, new card, new possibilities. Trepidation because, let's be honest, setting up new financial tools can sometimes feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. We've all been there, trying to find that one elusive button, navigating menus that seem to go on forever, or getting stuck in a loop of please enter your information again. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and it can leave you feeling less than confident about your banking prowess. But what if setting up your Roger debit card in the app could be a smooth, straightforward process? What if you could confidently activate your card, set up your PIN, and unlock all the features designed to make your financial life easier, all from the palm of your hand? That's exactly what we're going to tackle today. We're going to demystify the Roger debit card setup process within the app, walking you through each step with clear, concise instructions. No more guessing, no more endless tapping, no more wondering if you're doing it right. Think about it. Your Roger debit card is your gateway to convenient spending, managing your money, and potentially even earning rewards. But it's just a piece of plastic or a digital representation until it's properly linked to your financial ecosystem. The Roger app is the control center for that ecosystem. It's where you can track your spending, check your balance, transfer funds, and yes, manage your card. Without properly setting up your debit card in the app, you're missing out on a huge chunk of its functionality and the ease it's meant to provide. Let's paint a picture. You've just received your Roger debit card in the mail. It's sleek, it's new, and you're ready to use it. Maybe you want to make an online purchase, or perhaps you're heading out to grab some groceries and want to ensure you can tap and pay with ease. Whatever your immediate need, getting that card active and integrated with your mobile banking is step one. And that's where the app comes in. It's the simplest, fastest, and most secure way to get your card ready for action. Beyond the initial activation, the Roger app offers a suite of features that enhance your debit card experience. Imagine being able to instantly lock your card if you misplace it, set spending limits for better budgeting, or even receive real-time notifications for every transaction. These aren't just fancy add-ons, they're essential tools for modern financial management, providing peace of mind and greater control. But again, to leverage these powerful features, you first need to understand the fundamental steps of setting up your card within the app. So, whether you're a seasoned digital banking pro or someone who's a bit more hesitant about navigating financial apps, this guide is for you. We're breaking down every single step, from downloading the app, if you haven't already, to making your first secure transaction. We'll cover common questions, potential hiccups, and provide tips to ensure your setup is as seamless as possible. By the end of this, you'll be a Roger app debit card master, ready to take full control of your finances. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly clarify something important. While Roger might sound like a person's name, in the context of debit cards and banking, it often refers to a specific financial institution or service. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are assuming you have received a physical Roger branded debit card and are looking to integrate it with its corresponding mobile application. If you have a Roger Bank MasterCard, the process is very similar, as many of these steps pertain to general card activation and app integration. The core principles of setting up a debit card in a banking app remain largely consistent across different providers: download, sign and register, activate, and manage. We're just focusing on the Roger ecosystem here, whatever form it takes for you. Alright, enough with the preamble. Let's get you squared away with your Roger debit card. Step 1. Downloading and installing the Roger app. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. If you don't already have the Roger app on your smartphone, you'll need to download it. For iOS, Apple users, open the App Store. In the search bar at the bottom, type Roger or Roger Bank or My Rogers, depending on the specific name of your app. Often it's the bank's name. Look for the official app, usually identifiable by the Roger logo. Once you find it, tap Get and then Install. You might need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Roger or Roger Bank or My Rogers. Again, identify the official app by its logo. Tap Install. The app will download and install automatically. Once installed, open the app. Step 2. Signing in or registering your account. Upon opening the Roger app for the first time, you will typically be presented with options to either sign in or register, or sign up. If you already have an online banking account with Roger, e.g., you've used their web portal, tap Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter your existing username and password. If you've forgotten these, look for a Forgot Username or Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to recover or reset them. If this is your first time using any Roger digital banking service, including online banking, tap Register or Sign Up. This is where you'll create your digital banking credentials. Provide your card information. You'll likely need to input details from your new Roger debit card, such as the full 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and potentially the CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back. This helps the app identify you and link your new card to your profile. Personal information verification. Be prepared to provide some personal identifying information to confirm your identity. This could include your date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or equivalent in your region, your postal code, or even answers to security questions you set up during your initial account opening. Set up your username and password. Choose a strong, unique username and password. Make sure it's something you'll remember but isn't easily guessable. It's highly recommended to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Security questions / biometrics. You might be asked to set up security questions, which are used for identity verification if you ever forget your password. Additionally, the app will likely offer you the option to enable biometric login, such as Face ID or Touch ID for iOS, or fingerprint / facial recognition for Android. We highly recommend enabling this for quick and secure access to your account. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.